Today we're going to talk about chapter 1 of the book The Secret. The Secret Revealed. So what is the big secret? It's the law of attraction. The law of attraction means that whatever you think about or whatever you focus on, you bring that or something similar into your life. All of the thoughts we're thinking get sent out into the universe. Every moment when we're thinking, every moment when we're feeling, when we're living life, we're constantly sending out vibes, vibrations, frequencies out to the universe, which is in turn affecting and also creating your life. Thoughts become things. Behind me I have this painting, I have a couch, I have some pillows. Look around your room. Everything you see there started off as a thought. Someone thought those things into existence. Thoughts become things. You create your life with your thoughts, and your life is a reflection of your thoughts. Look at every single aspect of your life, your finances, your relationships, your love, whatever is important to you. If something's not right, have you been thinking negative things? If something feels really good, have you been putting out good energy, good vibes, and attracting good, positive things into your life? When I'm thinking about the universe, I think it's this huge, massive force, this energy. And when you think about the law of attraction, you're thinking, okay, so this is going to explain every single thing out there in the universe. But when you start to think about how each person truly creates their reality. So what do I mean by that? My reality is completely different than your reality, or April's reality, or my kids' realities. They're exposed to different things. They're coming up with different beliefs, and their life experience is going to be completely different. That's why we're really working hard to really instill these ideas of the law of attraction, the ideas presented in The Secret, to our children, so that they know early on that they're powerful, they are creators, and that anything's possible. Part of why I'm making these videos is to give all of you guys that same sense of strength and that same sense of knowledge, so that you can start creating your own lives and you can start living this magical life. So before I let you go, the one last final thought, I wanted to share an affirmation shared in the chapter, and it's, I am the master of my thoughts. Say it again. I am the master of my thoughts. I really want to truly be the master of my thoughts. I want to be in control, know what I want, and get what I want. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to The Manual Show. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them down below. And until next time,